Imagine exploring vibrant cities, ancient ruins, and breathtaking landscapes, all while keeping your wallet happy. Welcome to Mexico. Here, the allure of rich history melds seamlessly with diverse geography and a warm, inviting culture, making it a prime destination for those who travel thoughtfully about their budget. From the bustling streets of Mexico City to the tranquil beaches of Tulum, every corner of this country offers something special without demanding a fortune. Affordable transportation, cozy accommodations, and tantalizing dining options abound. Now let's dive into some of Mexico's most wallet-friendly destinations. First stop, the heart of Mexico, Mexico City. Dive into the vibrant pulse of Mexico City, where cultural riches meet affordability. Wander through the sprawling Zocalo, the city's historic heart, where ancient architecture sits alongside bustling markets, all without the hefty price tag. Just a short metro ride away, which costs less than $1, lies the lush expanse of Chapultepec Park. Here, you can explore everything from lakes to museums, including the world-renowned Museo Nacional de Antropología. The museum, a treasure trove of pre-Hispanic artifacts, offers free admission on Sundays, making it a must-visit for anyone on a budget. And let's not forget the culinary delights that await at every corner. Indulge in mouth-watering tacos, tamales, and quesadillas from local street food vendors for just a couple of dollars. Each bite not only saves you money, but also immerses you in the flavors that define this megacity. With so much to do at such low costs, Mexico City offers an unforgettable yet affordable experience. Next up, the culturally rich and colorful Oaxaca. Nestled in the heart of Mexico, Oaxaca is a tapestry of old-world charm and vibrant cultural expressions. This city is a haven for those who seek to immerse themselves in authentic Mexican culture without straining their wallets. The streets of Oaxaca buzz with festive fervor, especially during its world-renowned celebrations like the Guelaguetza Festival, which showcases the indigenous cultures through dance, music, and traditional attire, all accessible at little to no cost. Accommodations here are delightfully affordable, with a plethora of guest houses and hostels that reflect the local art and soul, ensuring a stay that's both comfortable and cost-effective. Dive into the culinary landscape with tantalizing and budget-friendly Oaxacan dishes. Think tlayudas, mole, and mezcal, all offering a taste of the region without the hefty price tag. Must-visit budget-friendly attractions include the ancient ruins of Monte Alban and the natural mineral pools of Hierve el Agua, both offering profound experiences for just a few pesos. Oaxaca proves that rich culture doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Let's explore two cities where history meets affordability, Guanajuato and Puebla. Nestled in the heart of Mexico, Guanajuato is a vibrant tapestry of narrow winding streets and opulent colonial buildings. A visit here isn't complete without wandering through the Alley of the Kiss. It's more than just a charming spot. Legend has it that couples who kiss on the third step are guaranteed 7 years of happiness. And don't miss the Mummies of Guanajuato Museum, where, for a modest fee, you can glimpse into a unique part of the city's heritage. Moving over to Puebla, this city is a feast for the senses. Architecturally stunning, it's home to the magnificent Puebla Cathedral, standing proudly at the city's center. Delight in the local cuisine. Puebla claims the origin of mole poblano, a rich, savory chocolate and chili sauce that's a culinary emblem of Mexico and remarkably affordable. Both cities offer a journey through time without spending a fortune. Last but not least, the stunning beaches of Tulum. While Tulum's beachfront resorts might whisper luxury, the town itself tells a different story, one of affordability and charm. Opt for cozy guest houses or hostels tucked away in the heart of Tulum for a fraction of the price. Spend your days exploring the majestic Tulum ruins or diving into the refreshing waters of nearby cenotes, natural sinkholes that are both awe-inspiring and wallet-friendly. Tulum shows that paradise is accessible, even on a budget. As we've seen, Mexico offers a wealth of experiences that won't drain your bank account. From the bustling streets of Mexico City to the colorful facades of Guanajuato, each destination has shown that adventure and culture can come with a modest price tag. In Mexico City, the historic Zocalo and the extensive Chapultepec Park invite exploration without a hefty entrance fee. Oaxaca, with its vibrant markets and significant archaeological sites like Monte Alban, proves that rich cultural experiences need not be expensive. The underground allure of Guanajuato and the culinary delights of Puebla offer endless opportunities to immerse in Mexican culture while keeping an eye on your budget. Embrace local transportation methods such as buses and colectivos to save significantly while traversing this vast country. Opt for hostels or budget-friendly guest houses to cut down on accommodation costs. And for a true taste of Mexico without the splurge, dining at local mercados or taquerias is the way to go. So why wait? Affordable adventures await in Mexico. Plan your trip and discover the magic of Mexico on a budget.